In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Google Chat. To get started, open your Google Chrome dashboard. In this example, you'll want to be on a Google page where your account is already available, such as Gmail. This makes the process much faster because Google Chat is part of the Google Apps ecosystem. If you're not already signed into your Google account, make sure you do that first so you can access your apps without interruption. Once you're on your Google Chrome dashboard and viewing your Google page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Google Apps icon, which appears as a small grid made up of dots. This icon gives you access to a variety of Google services connected to your account, including tools like Drive, Calendar, Meet, and of course, Google Chat. Go ahead and click that apps icon. After clicking it, a panel will open showing the different Google apps available to you. Take a moment to scan through the list until you find Chat. Depending on your screen size or account layout, you may need to scroll a little to see it. Once you find the Chat icon, click on it to continue. When you click Chat, Google will open the Google Chat interface for your account. At that point, you'll be signed in and ready to start using it. From there, you can view conversations, send messages, and collaborate with your team or contacts directly inside Google Chat. If Google Chat opens in a new tab, that's completely normal, so don't worry if your screen changes slightly. A helpful tip is to make sure you're signed into the correct Google account before opening Chat, especially if you use multiple accounts in Chrome. The app you open will follow the account currently active in that session. If Chat doesn't appear right away in the apps menu, you can scroll further down or refresh the page and try again. And that's all it takes to sign into Google Chat. Open your Google Chrome dashboard, click the apps icon in the top right, and then select Chat. It's a very quick process once you know where to look, and it gives you easy access to Google's messaging platform whenever you need it.